Hello foodies, welcome back to Love for Food and Travel. Today we will take you to a new North Indian veg restaurant that serves delicious Punjabi food. The restaurant's name is Kake Di Hatti and it is located in Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. This restaurant is known for its biggest naan in India and hence they are also called King of Naan. In today's video, we will try out their large size dishes like naan, lassi and others and will let you know our honest opinion on the taste, price, ambience and service. So please watch the video till the end. If you are a foodie interested in veg non-veg restaurants in Hyderabad, kindly watch this video for our honest reviews. We have a good collection of restaurant reviews. So please check out our other videos and do subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, do check out the sale and various deals in Myntra and Flipkart in the description below. Kake Di Hatti is located in road number 36 Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. In fact, the first outlet was started way back in 1942 in Old Delhi's Chandni Chowk area. And today, it has opened 85 plus outlets across different parts of India. Very recently, they have also opened a new restaurant in Kondapur area on the High Tension Road. The restaurant has valet car parking facility as well as basement parking facility for the guests. The ambience of the restaurant is nice with really good interiors. The seating capacity was also good with spacious and comfortable seating. For today's lunch, we wanted to order some big size specialty dishes which are unique to this restaurant. First, we ordered Hara Bhara Kebab. These were like 5 big veg kebabs served with lacha onions. Just see the size of each kebab. You can't even compare the size with the normal kebabs. We took some green chutney for this veg starter and had this kebab. It was really delicious and it had the right flavor. Next, we ordered Kake Signature Paneer Tikka Roll. This you can compare it with a Kati roll where paneer tikka is rolled onto a naan and cut into pieces. I thought this was something new and was tastier to eat. This was also served with a generous amount of lacha onions. This dish was delicious and had a good filling inside the naan. This is especially a good dish to order when you come as a group as each one can take a piece of it. Then we ordered the dish for which we had come to this restaurant. I am talking about the large sized Haryali butter naan. I really wanted to see how this naan was being made in the kitchen. Therefore, we got the permission from the manager and went into the kitchen. First, chef took a big sized dough and flattened it with his hand. Then he folded the dough into half and spread some greens, which was a combination of coriander, mint and palak leaves, followed by some dry masala.
हरियाली में धनिया आएगा, पुदीना आएगा, पालक के बाद मसाला आएगा.
He then again folded the dough and flattened it.
ऊपर भी लगेगा यहाँ पे।
He again added generous amount of greens on the dough along with dry masala. After this, with his hands, chef made this into a mammoth naan before baking it in the tandoor. Within minutes, the large sized Haryali butter naan was ready. The way this big naan was carried from the kitchen to the table was also something to be watched. Along with this naan, we also ordered half portion each of paneer tikka lavabda and dal makhani. This kake butter naan looked majestic and was covering a good portion of the table. The restaurant staff served paneer tikka lavabda and then dal makhani. After that, he served us a portion of butter naan for everyone. The butter naan was thin and crispy, and with the butter on top of it, the naan tasted really delicious as I expected. The naan, along with both the curries, were so good that we were able to complete it in no time. In fact, not just butter naan, the restaurant has a whole list of naan which can be served in big size. For example, aloo naan, matar paneer naan, and even Amritsari kulcha, to name a few. When you visit a Punjabi place, how can you miss the lassi over there? So, we also ordered a kake lassi, which was a big size lassi, and it was too good. Finally, for the dessert, they had multiple options like gulab jamun, kulfi, shahi tukda and ice creams. However, we wanted to try their chocolate Nutella naan, and so we ordered a small portion of it. This was topped with nuts and looked tempting. I tell you that chocolate Nutella naan is something you will need to try definitely. It tasted so good. Overall, Kake Di Hatti is a good veg restaurant that serves Punjabi food. What makes it different from the other restaurants is the large portions it serves, ideal for a group. If you are visiting this place with friends or family, then you can go ahead and order these big size naans, kulchas and other starters, which will uplift the mood of the group rather than having a regular portion which you get everywhere. The service and the ambience are good too, since they have a long history of serving authentic, delicious Punjabi food. You can certainly enjoy the food with your family and friends without disappointment. If you are interested in this restaurant, I am providing the menu for your reference. If you have visited this restaurant, do let us know your experience in the comments below. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until we meet again in another interesting video, be happy and stay healthy.